Buying your first home can feel overwhelming, but the GTA still has pockets of opportunity if you know where to look. Today, we're ranking the top 10 neighborhoods for first-time buyers, places where value, lifestyle, and long-term growth actually meet. Number 10. Pickering Village, Ajax. Historic charm, go access, and more space for your dollar. Perfect for first-time buyers who want character without Toronto pricing. Number 9. Maple, Vaughan. Family-friendly, go accessible, and priced below Vaughan's luxury core, a quieter entry point into the city. Number 8. Clarkson, Mississauga. Lakeside vibes, go train access, and strong resale appeal. Clarkson offers lifestyle without downtown prices. Number 7. Whitby Shores. Waterfront living, trails, and newer builds ideal for buyers who want lifestyle and value east of Toronto. Number 6. Newmarket South. Walkable streets, solid schools, and a growing downtown, Newmarket offers long-term upside at entry-level pricing. Number 5. Mimico, Etobicoke. Lake views, transit access, and condos under downtown prices, Mimico is a first-time buyer's sweet spot. Number 4. Milton South. Newer homes, family-focused design, and one of the GTA's strongest growth trajectories. Number 3. Leslieville Fringe Zones. Just outside the core, think Greenwood, Coxwell, or South Danforth, where lifestyle meets better pricing. Number 2. Port Credit East, Mississauga. Village charm, waterfront access, and major upside as transit and development expand. Number 1. Whitby Downtown/Brooklyn. Small-town charm, affordability, and real community feel, one of the best entry points into homeownership today. These communities prove you can have charm, access, and value all in one. If you're buying your first home, your opportunity might be closer than you think, sometimes just one neighborhood over.